So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can decrease the lens reflections, or you can say how you can get rid of the lens reflection on your iPhone. If you point it towards some light source, it directly reflects that particular light. So for that there's no software fix for that. Now in order to do it, first of all, make sure you do not use any cheap lenses over your camera ring on your iPhone, because that really degrades your camera quality, and that's a major reason why your camera light reflects the light sources. Now the another fix that you can use while you're clicking some photos from the camera, just simply block the light with your another hand or with any object that is coming to the camera. Just simply try to block that particular light to directly interact with your camera lens, and make sure to not interfere with the camera output. Just simply block that particular light. That really helps you to get rid of that particular camera reflection. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.